Having trouble controlling the volume on your TV or soundbar with your Rogers remote, which may be similar to an Xfinity remote? First, ensure your remote's firmware is up to date via the Rogers Ignite app. Outdated firmware can cause conflicts. Common issues include the volume not responding or the soundbar not syncing. Check your HDMI connections, especially if using ARC for audio pass-through. Try the Rogers Ignite or Xfinity My Account app for guided setup. If issues persist, proceed to manual programming. If the app doesn't solve the volume problem, manually program your remote. Remotes like the XR15 support thousands of device codes. Enter setup mode by pressing Setup and TV Power. Input the appropriate code for your TV or soundbar. For example, 7F8 for Sony TVs, 111758 for Samsung soundbars, and 111423 for LG TVs experiencing volume drops. If controlling a soundbar, ensure the remote is programmed to control it separately, potentially using an aux button. If needed, reset the remote by removing batteries for 30 seconds and repair. Sometimes pressing A or equivalent will switch to TV soundbar mode. These manual fixes have a high success rate in resolving volume control problems.